Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today I will show you how we can make a beautiful neck design in very easy and simple steps. For this design we have to cut the normal kurti first and then we will cut the boat neck over here. My neck width would be 4 inch and neck depth is 4.5. Join these points and make a box and give the shape of the neck. After giving the shape, cut it out over here. Just cut it out, not do everything over here. And so after cutting it would be look like this. Now we have to place the center. I have already set my center with the iron, so now it's visible very better. So it's my center place and mark out over here. My design length would be 8 inch, so I will mark over here 8 inch. And from the center I will mark 1.5 on a both side and make the straight lines. So it's a rough marking of our design. So for this design we have to make the strips of bias tape and straight tape both. I am taking 2 inch of strip and fold it out. Now we have to mark the 1 inch gap, and this is our strips. We have to take the strip of 1 inch. Now I am taking the 2 inch strip over here. It's a 2 inch in a width wise and it's double folded. We have to place the open side on the design. So I am taking 3.5 inch strip of a straight one and 3.5 inch of a strip of the bias tape. Place over like here, like this, and give a stitch. Firstly you have to place the straight strip and place the bias strip. The strip position would be like this in a crisscross way. Now again put the straight strip and then bias strip. So we have to follow these steps. This is very easy, very delicate, and it looks very pretty and beautiful design. If you look at back side, so it's look a very different design over here. So till the end of the marking we have to repeat the same again and again. We have to do that. Place a straight strip, then place a bias strip, again place the straight strip, and this is the last one. On the other side we have to do the same what we did one side already, we have done that. We have to do the same on the another side. Straight the strip, then again on a crisscross position bias strip, place it out, then again straight, and then place again bias strip. So this is the last one and it's done over here. After doing this, we have to cut the extra strip from the sides. So after cutting this, we have to take a straight strip and go through from the straight one. From the straight in a crisscross position, we have to do this. Cross from the straight one and then place it in the center and cut the extra one. So this is the extra, we have to fold it over here. Fold it over here, tuck it and cut the extra one. And now we will place the buttons over here, but before placing the button we have to attach this strip. After attaching the strip, we will give the piping on the round neck. We have to give a stitch on a given seam. From the design we will take 1.5 inch extra to the down part. Lock the stitch over here and cut the extra one. Now fold the strip to the outside and give a stitch to settle it out. Now cut the extra and fold inside and give a last finished stitch. We have to do the same on the another side, and after completing the both sides I have done piping on the neck and place the buttons in the center till the end, and on the side strip I have done this thread work and use this tassels over here. You can use any tassel button, whatever you want. So it's my final look of my neck. It's look very beautiful and elegant. So if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.